Greetings to all. Life is a magic. If we are ready to explore, definitely miracles will happen. If we are ready to learn, definitely miracles will happen. Okay, students. Organic chemistry is really so easy. If we are ready to learn, really it is so easy. Before we have discussed about what is the basic of organic chemistry and hydrocarbons and alcohols and hydroxyl derivatives and all. So we have discussed about classification of alcohols also. Okay, what is primary alcohol, what is secondary alcohol, and what is tertiary alcohols. This is different classification. This classification is monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, and trihydric and polyhydric alcohols. Okay. Monohydric, what is the first we need to understand what is the example of monohydric alcohol. So this is ethanol. This is what? This is ethanol. This is propanol. So these are all the examples. This is aliphatic alcohol. This is phenol. Already we have. I know about phenol. I have told you about phenol. Phenol is aromatic alcohol because it is having benzene group. Because it is having benzene. This is aliphatic alcohol. These are all aliphatic alcohols. Compound which is having only one hydroxyl group is called monohydric alcohol. Compound which is having only one hydroxyl group is called monohydric alcohol. What is it? This ethanol is there, no? This is IUPAC name. Ethanol is there, no? This is IUPAC name. Propanol is there, no? This is IUPAC name. Okay. Ethyl alcohol is the common name. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol and all common name. Okay. This is propanol, no? This is also IUPAC. What is IUPAC name? Throughout the world is understandable. This name is understandable. IUPAC name, this abbreviation is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is the abbreviation of IUPAC. Okay. This is dihydric alcohol. Yesterday also I have told you. Dihydric alcohol, ethylene glycol. This is what? This is ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol is the common name. Ethylene glycol is the common name. 1,2-ethane diol. 1,2-ethane diol means what? Di. 2 hydroxyl group. 2 hydroxyl groups are present here. 2 hydroxyl groups are present here. So this is diol. This is only all. This is diol. Okay. This is ethylene glycol is dihydric alcohol. Ethylene glycol is dihydric alcohol. Okay. Now we can already we have discussed about the how we can prepare ethanol, methanol, propanol and all preparation methods of alcohols. Now we are going to discuss. We are going to learn about preparation method of ethylene glycol. Preparation method of ethylene glycol. Okay, students. This is what? This is CH2Cl. CH2Cl. Ethylene glycol. Ethylene, what is the name of that? Ethylene glycol. This is dilute sodium carbonate. This is dilute sodium carbonate. Okay. This is dilute sodium carbonate. This is water. So we are making as the components. We are making these are all the components under heat. Under heat, the reaction will happen. What are all the things we will get? We will get sodium, 2 molecules of sodium chloride, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, and 1 molecule of ethylene glycol. 1 molecule of ethylene glycol. Now I am going to tell you what is the mechanism of the reaction. What is the while the reaction is happening, this things and all will separated into ion. These things this compounds and all will be separated into ions. Okay. This is 2 Na plus ion. This will be separated. This will be separated. 1 CO3 ion. So this is water. No, how this is going to split into? This H2 is split into OH minus and H plus. OH minus and H plus. Okay. So see, 2 Na plus ions are present. No, here 2 chlorine ions are present. Here 2 chlorine ions are present. Chlorine ion will be like that. Will be like that. Okay. 2 chlorine ions are present. So 2 Na plus ions and 2 Cl minus ions. 2 Cl minus ion will combine together. We will get 2 molecules of sodium chloride. 2 molecules of sodium chloride. So see here what is carbon? This is carbon trioxide. COOO. This is the water. Structure of carbon trioxide. So this carbon dioxide separated. This carbon dioxide separated and we will get carbon dioxide. We can get carbon dioxide. one oxygen is remaining. What is that? One oxygen is remaining. Already water split into two ions. No, I have told you, no, water split into OH minus and H plus. So this O will combine with this H plus. So how many hydroxyl groups are present? Two OH groups are present. So this is one hydroxyl group, this is one hydroxyl group. So this will react with, so this ethylene is readily available. This ethylene is readily available to what? To combine with the OH. To combine with the OH. So we will get ethylene glycol. I think I have made you to understand how to prepare ethylene glycol from ethylene chloride. Okay. Let me recall. Let me explain again. Okay. This is ethylene glycol. This is ethylene glycol. This is dilute sodium carbonate. This is water. Okay. This is water. So I have told you. I have briefly explained you about the mechanism of the reactions. Okay. What all the things we will get? Sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, and ethylene glycol. Okay. This is the method of preparation of ethylene glycol. Method of preparation of ethylene glycol. So this is dihydric alcohol. Okay. Then trihydric and polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric and alcohols are very complex. So I will tell you what is the example of what trihydric alcohol only today. This is what 1, 2, 3 propane triol. 1, 2, 3 propane. Methane, methane, propane. Okay. We have to count the number of carbons. We have to count the number of carbons in hydrocarbon. Isn't it? So 1, 2, 3. So methane, methane, propane. So what is that? 1, 2, 3 propane triol. All is mentioning what? OL. All is mentioning alcohol. All means what? Alcohol. So what is the name? 1, 2, 3 propane triol. This is what is the name of this? This is IUPAC name. International standard name. International standard name. So this is what? IUPAC name. Okay. So what is the common name of this? This is glycerol. Is very reactive. It is very useful also. Later we will discuss about glycerol uses and preparation methods and all. Okay. This common name is glycerol. Okay. So today I think today we have learned about what is monohydric alcohol, then what is dihydric alcohol, and what is trihydric alcohol and all. Then we have we have learned about what is the how we can prepare ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is the main example of dihydric alcohol. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.